Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to back it with some cream colored paper. I know cream isn't manila, but it's better than white. So this is going to be the exact width, which we don't want. We want it to be a little bit narrower so it can slide down in the pocket. So we don't want it shorter, we want it narrower. So let's take a 1/2 inch off. Let's see what we got then. Yeah, because of the glue. In fact, I can see a little bit of glue right there. Get out my glue eraser. Take the glue off. These are literally called glue erasers. All you gotta do is look them up on Amazon. They're just a couple bucks. So we need to make this even narrower. And don't forget to save these for your collage as well. Plus, this is very flimsy paper. You know, you could just, I guess, put it in there, but where am I stuck? This should go all the way down. We must have somebody glued narrower. Let's do another 8. There we go. So that'll be our card. Don't ink it yet. Okay. This piece is too narrow for my collage, unfortunately. So now we're going to measure we're going to measure this, only we want it to be we want this to be a little bit smaller than this. So let's put this up a little bit, and then when we come down here, when we measure on the cream colored paper, we'll make it a little bit shorter. Okay, and then the width is going to be here. Let's see if I did that correctly. So what we're going to do is we're going to back it with the cream. I wanted a little border, but I did it backwards. I wanted the border, we'll save this, but I want the border of the cardstock to be out, so I should have done it this way. So there's a mistake for you that you can live and learn from. Let me see if I can reach over here and get another piece of the okay, I stepped on the audio cable, and I'm hoping it was just now when I did it. I restarted the software because this software is kind of twitchy. And so I was telling you we were going to stencil this corner and probably this top corner, depending on how dark this inks. That's really annoying. I cut this stencil out on my brother's Scan and Cut, and I really like it. Okay, I'm going to put my thumb right in the middle of the card. Close enough to the edge. I could probably put something over it. The reason that I tap it off on the piece of paper, or on this, is because I want to get that first big blob of ink off so that it doesn't come down. Now see, that came out a lot better, but we're going to leave that. Alright, so this is our writing card, that one of them that's going to go in that giant set of pockets. So I wish you fun making all the rest. They don't have to be the same. They can be different. They can be cards or giant tags, or I don't know, you could even make a giant circle. To tell you the truth, that would be kind of fun for you. Not for me. So let's get our card out and put it in here. You know what I did? I didn't take into account when I put the extra on that it was going to take the extra there. Do you know what I mean? The part where it got stuck part way down. Okay, for right now, we're going to live with this. See if we can figure out where that tight spot is. Open it up just a little bit. You can take your bone folder and kind of open it a little bit right up to where the glue is, in case there's a little teeny bit stuck. You know, over that isn't part of the actual glue where you glued the pocket on. Like right in here is very narrow for what we need. Longer than my bone folder. Okay, now let's try it. Okay. So I've got just a little bit more on this side over here. and I'll work with it a little bit. Might just be right up here at the top, actually. Anyway, just keep working with it. As long as you don't pull the glue off, you'll be fine. You can usually widen it up enough for a card like this to get it down in there. Let's see if that was our bottleneck. Anyway, I will figure it out. I'll get it to where it's glued down in there. Ha ha! Right, so it's on this side just a little bit. All I need is for it to come down below the top. That's a mad amount of ink that comes out on that. So if you've never used one of these before, you're going to have to realize that there's a lot of ink that comes out. Okay, having said that, we do have a couple of spots, so we are going to need to ink around here to kind of fill that in. Okay, and then all we're going to do now is just glue it to the page. Now, it won't take you this long to make one of these. I just wanted to show you the different possibilities, and then, you know, talking through it while you're doing it is also a time-consuming project. So it shouldn't take you this long. It should take you about half as long to make one of these, and then you won't have to worry about, you know, listening to me not talk while I'm concentrating and all that good stuff. So let's put it on the page. Yep, that's going to be fine. So let's put the glue on it. You want to line it up so that there's just a little bit on the inside that shows. See, that's the gusset we're going to be using. So let's move this whole thing up a little bit. Okay, we're just going to kind of swinch it around until we're happy with it. Okay, there we go. There's our page with all of our pockets. All the way up, we've got our writing card in the top. Somehow it almost lined up all together. I wonder if I can figure out where it's getting stuck. Yeah. It's getting stuck below here. So you can just keep going down farther and farther and see where the narrow spot is. And it looks like it's right in here. maybe over here. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Alrighty, bye-bye.